Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to move your taskbar to the top of the screen on Windows 11. Windows 10. For this, you can use two methods. First one is drag and drop. For this, right click on the free space on the taskbar. Uncheck this one option, lock the taskbar. Now move the taskbar to the top of the screen. This will align your Windows 10 taskbar to the top of the screen on Windows 10. The next one method is right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here taskbar settings to open settings window at taskbar. Here scroll down and under taskbar location on the screen use this one drop down menu and select top option. This will also immediately move your Windows 10 taskbar to the top of the screen.